Welcome to Creating with Mimi. Today's video, we are at another Lannar model home tour. And guys, this is a beauty. Let's get started. The entry is so light and white and inviting, and just to the left of the entry, you're greeted with the music room and a gorgeous light fixture. Even though this is a smaller room, they managed to get a piano. You have chairs in there. I love the contrast between the white and the blue. This molding is to die for. There's so many different tricks and plays with decor in this small room to make it appear as though it's super large. In the entryway, you have the molding, the wainscoting on the wall. This porcelain floor, it's not too dark, it's light, and it's made to look like wood. It is laid on a brick pattern. Just to the left of the entry hall, you have this gorgeous dining room with this super large light fixture. I love it. It's an open space, but they've decided to put a square table in an open space so that you're able to seat 8 people comfortably. Absolutely gorgeous. To the right is the kitchen area. Look how much space you have in the middle in between. And they kept the kitchen pretty simplistic with your pendant lights. The cabinets are brown. You have a stainless steel hood. All of the countertops are super light and white. We know that blue is popular and it's a very calming color. This is another treatment where they've taken the tile from the kitchen and they've added the treatment to the family room wall. And it's a small wall, but they've covered it entirely in the tile, and it just gives it a very contemporary look. The furniture selection is fabulous. Just a large, simple table, soft colored drapery, and then we're continuing on with the theme of the blue and the white. Keeping the countertops white and light against the dark brown colored cabinets, I think was the way to go in this kitchen. It is an open concept. I wish the builders, I'll be honest, would finish cabinets to the ceiling. It's a super large kitchen and the island is superb. You have this humongous island, which I think is great. They've added seating in the island that acts as a table along with a workspace for the island. Let's take a closer look at this dining room. I know it's difficult to tell in the image, but this chandelier is about 36 inches in diameter. And I love the fact that they've made all of the furniture kind of a similar tone, and it's all brown. The floor is brown, and you would think the house would be pretty dark, but it's not because of all of the light contrast for the chairs, the wall art. And then they brought in a sizable amount of green to give the effect that it is fresh, it is alive, and contrast it with the color blue. I'm actually going to look for this light fixture, guys. It is so gorgeous, very modern and chic. The great room area has a oversized sectional with an oversized table. You've got lots of light coming through. Again, we've got some of the brown wood tones, but the sofa is light, so you can switch up these colors. You've got the blues, 3 to 4 different shades of blue, and it ties in with the gray. So we're not completely moving away from the gray yet. They've dropped in a gray rug. Very open space. You do have a first floor guest bedroom. They have continued with the color blue, but they've placed wallpaper in this bedroom because we know wallpaper is coming back and it's strong in a big way. You've got the brown furniture, wall art that's blue. Now there is a play on furniture in this location. It's dark dresser, and then the nightstands are a little bit lighter and more taupier of a gray, so that works really well. Complemented it with the white. The bed is the taupe color carried out through, and then the bed linens have the blue and the white. Another gorgeous light fixture. Adding that porcelain tile up the stairs is perfect. A lot of times builders will place it in the main areas and then they'll bring that carpet on the stairwell area, and this is absolutely great. You're going to save thousands of dollars by not having to deal with replacing those floors from worn carpet. I love the angle of this metal stairwell here. It's just adorable. First bedroom to the right, and it's a children's bed. It's the astronaut. I love these different themes that they'll have going on in the bedrooms, but still keeping the same tones, the blues and the grays, utilizing wallpaper. I love this piano room. Check out this gorgeous light fixture. From the decor and the colors, it's light, it's bright, it's white, and the wall art is a piano. This is probably the person that plays that gorgeous piano downstairs. Ivory in this room. I love the ivory nightstands. It has a texture to it. We've got a wallpaper trim that is piano keys. Gorgeous. And then we mixed it up with the bedding, so we didn't go crazy with piano because this bedding could represent anything. It just gives it texture with the smoky blue gray. More and more you've got builders creating a loft area or upstairs area or a game room, and this is no different. Love the open space between all of the upper bedrooms. This is a pretty generous space, and maybe it's the design of the open floor plan. The primary bedroom, it's pretty generous. It has a retreat area, and I love that aspect of it, but look at the overall space. You have seating in a corner, a dresser could fit in. I love this oversized mirror nightstand, and to top it all over the top, they've placed a mirror lamp on top of the mirror nightstand, and it is just the wow factor for the simplistic look. The tile on the bedroom headboard wall is gorgeous. From the chandelier to the wall art that was chosen, if blue is your color, this room is your oasis. Look at the amount of texture and visual interest has been placed in this room. gorgeous. Just a few steps away, you've got the primary bedroom retreat, and it is a delight of a retreat. It's a sizable space where you could actually have your own living area in this space, and they've decorated it with a sectional, which is light colored wall art, more tile on the wall. I'm not sure if I want to see that much tile on the wall, but they've transformed that space into a home office or a workout area, and it's perfect. It is the right amount of space to enjoy and get away from the noise, chaos, and have your own private sanctuary.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.